In this video, we are going to show you how to publish your Emergent AI app on Play Store. Now, if you've developed and created and finished a mobile app that you have created in Emergent, and as you can see here, we have an app that we created. This is a mobile app. And once you're done, you're going to see publish to stores. So you can only do this if you have a live subscription. So again, this is a free trial. If you click on publish to stores, this is going to appear. But if you actually have a subscription and you've tested your app and it is working, you want to see when you click on publish to stores or deploy. This is Emergent's like tutorial. So deployment, as you can see here, right? This is what you're gonna see. So deploy, right? And you're gonna see this, right? Again, make sure that your app is ready to go. And again, there is some testing, but you can also test on the app preview here. You can just refresh. Now it's not working right now. It's a bit scuffy, but again, publish, and then you're gonna have an option here like this. After that, your app will be good to go on the Play Store. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I will see you on the next video.